G'day, it's Chris here. I'm going to talk to you about one of my many talents, which is remote control. I've been into remote controls for about 40 years. I started off with gliders. They were easy, then went to powered planes. They were much harder, but then picked it up pretty well. Then cars and boats and helicopters. They were great fun to fly. And drones, which are just like the ultimate helicopter, which can do a lot of things. And then I found a plane that can do helicopter, plane, and a drone, just with the flick of a switch. Then I found an X450, which is 450 millimeters across the wings, has 3 engines, 2300 kVA, which is 2300 RPM per volt, runs on 11.1 volt battery, and will fly for probably 20 minutes. And it is a great flyer. It does everything very well. Can transition between a plane, a drone, and a helicopter just on the flick of a switch, and it does it really well. I'm going to get a onboard camera with a 180 Go camera, and then a camera from below to see where it's going. I'm going to intermingle them all, and then we'll see how it goes. I'll flick the switch in between, and we'll go from flight of a plane to flight of a drone to flight of a helicopter, just on that flick of the switch. Let's go and enjoy it. The left-hand side and rudder, and on the right-hand side we've got elevator and aileron. And up here we've got the switch between multi-rotor, just like a drone, the aeroplane mode, and then V mode, which is the helicopter, so it can all go between those 3 options in the flick of a switch. My sister, and she's going to help me video, and so we're just going to take it up and see how we go. I'll get back to you.